Hi, so today I want to make a little mini workout in support of strengthening the energy of the mouth, particularly the tongue and the teeth and the gum line. So here's a great way to work with that using these series of exercises. And we'll start by making sure that our teeth are strong. Many of us can have issues with dental issues. Maybe you've had a root canal before, maybe you've got mercury in your fillings in your mouth, and you want to make sure that toxins aren't staying in. So there's a weird way that we kind of do this, but it's kind of interesting. So we're going to play with breathing through your teeth. So I'm going to invite you to open your mouth slightly and imagine that all your teeth are like smokestacks and you can breathe in and out through your teeth. And that's going to visualize purging out toxins out of your teeth. So it looks like this. You open your mouth slightly and you breathe in and out through the mouth as if you're breathing through your teeth. It's like you're pulling out the toxins out of the teeth. Couple more times. Good. And you can do that for a much longer time if you're dealing with issues, but that's one way to kind of work with the energetically of purging out the toxins. So now let's actually strengthen the teeth, and we'll click the teeth 36 times. Good. By clicking your teeth together, that strengthens them, strengthens the bones. So now we're going to work with the tongue, and this is going to create a lot of saliva in the mouth. So I will guide you through, but make sure you don't swallow the saliva to the very end. Saliva is considered one of the most sacred fluids in ancient Chinese medicine because it actually is considered the juice of jade. It washes the organs and brings vitality to your organs. So it's not only used for digestion. So to begin, we're going to work with cleaning the gum line. So between your teeth and your lips. And we'll do 18 rotations in each direction with the tongue. So it doesn't matter which direction you start, but let's go ahead and do that. When you've done 18 in one direction, do 18 in the opposite. Good, and you start to see how it's producing saliva in your mouth. And now you're going to go along the roof of the mouth and back along the bottom of the mouth with whatever dexterity you have in your tongue. Like you're licking an ice cream cone, but the tongue actually doesn't come out, it just stays in the mouth. So along the roof of the mouth and back, 18 times. Good. All that saliva is still building up. Now close your teeth and use the tip of your tongue to tap against the back of the teeth 18 times. Good. Now you have all the saliva in your mouth. We're going to visualize that at the crown of the head, healing lights are coming in. We're going to imagine white light, which heals the lungs. Blue light that heals your kidneys. Green light that heals your liver. Red and pink light that heals your heart. Gold and yellow light that heals your spleen, stomach, and pancreas. And imagine that coming in, filling up the saliva, and you're going to stir it with your tongue. Called the juice jade pool here. And then we're going to swallow it down in 3 gulps. And symbolize washing the organs by rubbing down the front of your body. Good. And then you can lock that into your belly 3 times. And just have a moment just to breathe. And that will be, if you can do that on a regular basis, that will bring more vitality to your teeth, your tongue, and your mouth. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.